What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Home Depot Darth Vader. Alright guys, so this is a pretty weird one. We had Yoda just a couple months ago come out, and we reviewed and unboxed him because he went down to $50. I got Darth Vader because why would we just have Yoda like randomly in the yard? Like, we need something to go with it. So we have Darth Vader now. So he's gonna be awesome. Hopefully, I've heard great reviews about this guy. But I bought it as like a thing, like, okay, if I don't like it, I can bring it back, obviously. But I think I'm gonna like it. I've never watched Star Wars, but I got Yoda just because of how cheap he was and how awesome he was too. I wanted him, but I just didn't think he was worth $200. But then when he started going down to like $100, I was like, oh, okay, this is great. And then he went down to $50. I'm like, okay, I'm buying him. So yeah, then this guy looks pretty awesome too. So yeah, let's do this. First, we have the Disney instructions right here, all Disney licensed. Hopefully won't be using them today. My voice is still a little bit hoarse. If you guys remember from Frankenstein, I was completely low energy and my voice was just gone. So hopefully it'll be a little better today. My energy is definitely up, but yeah. This guy actually does have the holiday feature that Yoda had. He has the regular lightsaber, and then he has the Christmas one. Yeah, we got all kinds of leg poles, it looks like, in there, and then some absolutely huge boots. And we have the exact same thing over here, just minus the leg poles. Right here we have what looks to be a back form, and also something that'll probably stop whatever, like clothing and stuff, from getting in the mechanism. Right here we have just a standard arm from SVI, and we have the hand with the bottom of the lightsaber. Right here we have the ornament for one of the hands. For when it gets to be Christmas time, there's also a pumpkin that I'm about to pull out. But yeah, this isn't a plug. This thing doesn't light up, unfortunately. Right here we do have that pumpkin hand, and we also have a form. Right here we have the shoulder form. We have another front form. Right here we have the adapter. Right here we have some of the clothes, which is amazing quality. This is like probably the best clothing I've seen like ever in an animatronic. This is really nice. And then you have some more down here, which looks to be the cape, and then I don't know what these little parts are down here. Right here we have the head, which mine is actually not dented, which is awesome, because I think a lot of them have been getting dented during shipping, but mine looks just fine. Right here we have the little hip form area. We have the base right here, which is pretty nice. Not a bad size, and it has some very strong looking supports right there. Right here we have the hand that can just be used as regular, or you can also put the ornament in. Right here we have the whole module area with the control box that has the Star Wars logo on it. Right here we have the mechanism to make the hand with the lightsaber do its movement, which are very unique. And right here we have the two base covers to go over the base, which is a really nice touch. Definitely not something they had to do, but will definitely make it look and hopefully be more sturdy, like 10 times better. Alright guys, well that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get into the setup.
holiday celebration, my master requests your presence. Join me, and this season you will be a powerful ally. I find your lack of holiday cheer disturbing.
All right, guys, so that was the new for 2024 Disney and Home Depot Darth Vader. This guy is awesome. This is a very awesome animatronic. He was $300. I would say that is 100% worth it for him, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. I've never even watched the movie or any of it before, and I already know this guy is absolutely amazing. He definitely seems like something that is going to last over time. Like, for example, just that base piece, it's not just for decoration. That thing is definitely going to keep this guy from falling over, or at least help it from falling over. I still definitely recommend getting some stakes in the bottom of the original base. But then, yeah, this guy does not seem to be going anywhere. He also seems like something that's going to be a very good outdoor animatronic, just because there's so much clothing and good clothing and so much just protection, including the helmet, that will keep this thing from the control box ever getting hit by water. So I definitely think this is going to be a very good animatronic. If you're looking for an outdoor one that's not quite outdoor rated, this is definitely one that should not break outdoors. But we'll just have to see through the season for 100% accuracy. This guy is absolutely awesome. If you're a Star Wars fan, absolutely buy him. If you want him, get him. I don't feel like this is going to be a Yoda situation where this guy, I believe, will sell out. As he did on May the 4th. I was one of a couple people to get him. Not a ton of people got this guy. So definitely, if you want him, get him when he drops next. But that is going to be it for this video. I will also leave a link in the description if you would like to buy the merch for the channel I was wearing in this video. I won't leave a link in the description to buy this guy because I don't have his link because they took him off the Home Depot website until the July drop. So yeah, you can get him then on Home Depot's website. Other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.